I had such a fun time painting the bust, self-portrait bust the other day that I thought, oh, I'm gonna try that again. So here I am. And if you want to follow along and do this too, it's really quite simple. You just draw or sketch out a bust. So that's a head and some shoulders. And then you sort of start painting or coloring around that bust. And you just set an easy intention. Something like, tell me a bit about myself, or share something I don't know, or share something I need to know. Anything like that. It doesn't even have to be that. It could be just, I'd like to paint myself. Or maybe you want to create the intention, I'd like to paint how I feel about someone else. That could work too. And then from there, you just keep adding color however you feel drawn, without questioning the color, without questioning where it goes, just going with whatever comes, even if your mind thinks it's strange. Even if your mind doesn't like the colors or the color combinations, you just keep going. Just keep placing color as you feel drawn. My mind right now is thinking, I like these colors a lot together. They're so soft, but they're not colors that I use a lot together, or that I'm usually drawn to, I guess. I tend to go for brighter colors. But that's the whole point. It's all okay.